All right, beach bums, here we go. Let's talk about these panorama elevators, right? It's always a topic that gets people all stirred up, but let me just walk you through it. It's people get frustrated with them because most people don't know how to use them. So let me walk you through it, and hopefully this will help simplify things. Here, there's instructions right up here that say how to use these elevators. So read these instructions, find them. Select your destination deck, read your assigned letter, board your assigned elevator, but this is the part that's key right here. Okay, multiple riders. Make sure if you have 5 members, let's say as an example, 5 members in your group, select your deck number 5 times. Okay, so you may receive different letter assignments. Just keep that in mind. Let's go over here and just walk through it. Okay, so as you can see, let's say me and my family are going down to deck 1 where we're staying. I would hit deck 1, right? One time. I'd come back here again, hit the second time. There's 5 of us, right? So I'd do 3.
Car V.
And it's telling me car V, and then I would go on, right, and do it 5 times, and then I would wait for car V, which car V is open. See it right up here, ready to go, and I would walk into car V. Okay, so not very difficult. People get frustrated because when you walk in here, that's it. All you're gonna see is deck 1. You're not gonna be able to press any other decks or anything like that. So it's different than the other ships. So just as long as it's done right, it's not a big deal. So hopefully that helps. Just a short, quick video to walk you through that. Talk to y'all soon.